Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I will show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. Now to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off. And once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do it right now, power key and volume up. And when you see the logo keep holding, once it disappears you can let go of both of the keys. There we go, which boots us into recovery mode. Now in here you'll need to use the volume keys to navigate in order to select reboot to bootloader and then confirm it with power key. And there we go, as you can see we're now in Fastboot mode. So that is how you boot into it, and to leave this mode you will need to hold power key and volume down at the same time till this turns off. You can let go of the keys and now simply hold power key to turn the device back on. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.